about to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for.
Where are we now, Sarah?
Universal Studios, where we just did this.
And what's that?
For our annual pass.
Yeah.
So now we can come back as often as we want for the rest of the year.
Yeah.
Till the 1st of March next year.
We just can't.
Included in the price.
We just can't eat for the next 2 weeks.
We just can't eat for the next 2 weeks.
But so Gareth's favourite shop, we're about to walk right into. Only ever bought one hat from it. Brown Derby Hat Shop.
So I've got to admit, Universal Studios and Islands of Adventures are one of Gareth and I's most favourite parks in Orlando. There's so much to see and do here. So this is Universal Studios itself that we're in right now. And Gareth's overlooking at the cars outside Mel's Diner. We've just went and upgraded our tickets to annual passes because we are going to be back here later in the year. And financially it made really good sense to upgrade them. For the extra money that we paid, it covers car parking, which is now $26 a day. So we can come and go as often as we want and not have to pay for car parking, get discounts off food, different coat shops. So yeah, worked out really good, really chuffed. 10th year wedding anniversary this year. 10 years since Gareth and I first started coming here, so to have leaving with annual passes and trips planned for later in the year to use them is really exciting. So we are now just going to be going around Universal Studios itself for the next while because it is Mardi Gras Day. Parade starts at 7:45. I'm still trying all day to try and get a hold of a place on the float for tonight, but either they're absolutely done or they're not available yet. With us being annual pass holders now, I think we can register to get it, but I don't know if that registration's already done as well, so that might be a bit too much to faff about for tonight. But if we don't get on it tonight, then we can come back again before we go home. Still got best part of the 2 weeks of, like, this is technically day 1 our holiday today. Yesterday is a travel day, so that's not going to count. So I'll let you know what goes on, and we'll let you see some of the amazing sights and sounds of Mardi Gras.
This is a look of shock. Guess what I just bought? More diabetes. there she is.
You're not gonna lose me.
Fast and Furious. I'm going to get the charger. You keep looking after my car for me. Here is my car. Yeah. Mark 1 Escort FD3 RX7. Alright.
What's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's Ted here, monitoring the last race from the war room. I see everybody relaxing and taking in all the pre-party atmosphere in the garage. Check out that turbo tow truck. You know, there's only 2 of them in the world. Roman Pierce owns the other one. He calls it his Mona Lisa, but I think she's a little too pretty for a big four-headed monster like him.
Hey Sarah, where are we again?
New York this time.
New York.
I love Universal in the dark.
In the dark. In the dark.
In the dark when it's all lit up.
Yeah.
We're waiting on the parade.
I'm on the parade, so we're going to go find ourselves some tea. Again. Oh, dinner's eat, it's great. That's cool, like. This is Mardi Gras, I'll take it. Harley's awesome. Hey!
We're going to pull a wrap on today. We've been here for over 12 hours in the park today and 8 in the park today, and it actually was really, really good. Way out. I'm going to go and get the car and head down to International Drive for a little drive, and then we're going to go back to the hotel. So we've been up early, it's been a long day, 4 hours waiting on a ride. We also managed to get on the hill, and we managed to get on, can't even remember now. Good morning from sunny Orlando. It is Sunday. It is day 2 of our holiday, and we are up a little bit later this morning. Yesterday's park day lasted 14 hours of being on our feet, standing in queues and eating a bit more sugary stuff than normal for us on holiday. We have came along to another one of our favourite places. We do have a lot of favourite places here in Orlando, but this one is more our thing. More chilled, more just generally us, and anybody who knows me that we love our motorbikes, especially Harley Davidson. So we are here at Historic Harley Davidson. It's just off the I-4, and we are going to come down here today just to see some of what they have out here. They have some really amazing bikes out here. See the sights. Today's plans are Harley. We're thinking of going to one of the outlet malls. I really want to try and get a couple of Disney things, and we're going to go to Disney Springs as well today. This is when you come on holiday to Orlando and Gareth starts to panic. Although the exchange rate's not that great right now, it still means that the clothes are that tiny bit cheaper. But you're kind of guaranteed that you're going to get something that's going to be a little bit different to home, so I'm all for something a little bit different me. So yeah, let's have a look about. We're showing you West Coast Harley's clothes. Let's show you Orlando Harley. Bit too bling for me, I'm afraid. Got enough check shirts for cover the backs of 5 million.
So 100 grand's worth of Harley.
Slim and the, oh no, hang on, the 2 Soul Softail Slims in the whole of Historic Harley. For those of you that don't know, the bike that I ride at home is a Softail Slim. She is called Liv. Her being called Liv is because her paint colour is called Olive Denim Gold, so Olive, instead of calling her Olive, she's called Liv. So there we go. And check that. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the I-4. And that has been Orlando Harley Davidson. They had a bikers breakfast day on today, so we came down and had a little bite to eat and had a little look at their clothing. I was good, I was behaved. I only got a Bike Week t-shirt, so we're good. We could have bought a jumper, but whatever. So yeah. So now we are going to head off to the outlets, I think, and to Disney Springs for the afternoon, because it's only 12:30 and it's starting to warm up nice here now. So I've got the hoodie on and it's quite pleasant. So hopefully the next few days it's meant to keep on climbing temperature wise.